Hey there, adventurers. Today, we're going on a time-traveling adventure to see how cool inventions have changed the world and the fun puzzles they sometimes give us. From the discovery of fire to flying drones, every invention has been a step forward, changing how we live, play, and learn. But every step forward comes with its own set of challenges to solve. Let's roll back to when the wheel was invented. Imagine how amazed people were when they first used wheels to build things and move stuff around. It was a huge leap forward, but not everyone was convinced at first. Some might have worried, will this make us lazy? Or what about the paths we've always walked? Despite the worries, the wheel opened up new ways to explore and connect. Just like later, when boats sailed across oceans, people could share ideas and goods with faraway lands, making our world more connected. Jumping ahead, the invention of the telegraph was like the first text message. Suddenly, messages could zip across the world in minutes, not months. How cool is that? Of course, some scratched their heads, wondering, is this too fast? Will we forget how to enjoy slow, handwritten letters? But this invention brought people closer, making it easier to share news and keep in touch. Today, we're part of a digital world where we can share a moment with friends thousands of miles away with just a click. It's amazing, but it also makes us think, are we spending too much time looking at screens and not enough playing outside? So, what do you think? How do these incredible inventions shape our friendships, the way we learn, and the memories we make? It's a big question to explore as we keep inventing and dreaming up new ideas. Keep being curious, asking big questions, and maybe one day, you'll invent something that changes the world too. See you next time on our adventure through time and technology.